recording right now.
Smilla's here. Hey, Smilla. What's up? Go ahead. Ew, chunky.
Do another one.
With hot sauce?
Mm-hmm. Taste of that.
This is medium.
Do it. I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Okay. You need a YouTube account.
I will.
Yeah, there's a hair on it. I'm not doing that one.
Do it. Get it off.
Okay. What's this?
It's a video of me and my sister, and she's drinking weird things from the fridge that are hot. We're disgusting. So here we go. Just drink it. Just drink it.
That one tastes weird. Don't do it. Don't try this at home.
Whatever.
Here's some A1.
Ew.
Oh my gosh, A1's so good. It hasn't been opened. Now it has. Mmm. I wish I had some steak right now.
What else can we have? Should we just have one of those?
No.
Just one.
The jalapenos. I'll drink the little of the juice. Yes. If they haven't been opened. I mean, if they haven't been opened.
They have. Take his tongue.
What color's my tongue?
What else we got?
Woo!